Make this video because this is the all the weight and heartache and the pain. After 3 years I grow Eden. This is Eden, and it is finally blooming well in my garden. First time ever after I bought it since I would say 2019 in spring. So I never ever have a good form for this rose. Like for the past 3-4 years, like it was never ever a good one for me. I have no idea why. I think it probably because the first 2 years it was not a very good condition for them because they are planted in a raised bed with a root knot nematode, and I actually moved them completely out of their bed just so that they could have grow better, and it does. So this year it blooms so well for me. You can see it still have quite a lot of buds on it, and it's still continue to send out more. You can see that even though it's already have bloomed a lot. And so I totally get why people are a big fan of this rose right now, because I wasn't able to get it because think about it, I was being quite bitter for a few years for the health, and actually it's pretty good. Consider is not in a very good spot. I mean, you can see this area right here is very wet, and it's surrounded by all the roses here. So for it to be able to bloom this well, I'm very happy already. I just want to show you, it's so pretty. So this here, just forget about it, repeat during the summer 4 hours on, really. I mean, it would not. Maybe it will this year because since it turn a new leaf, not sure, but I don't see it repeat really 4 hours on. Just simply because of how it doesn't really like the heat. But I'm very happy to see them coming around really nicely this year. It's still, there's no fragrance to it. Let me smell. Very light tea fragrance, very light, but there's some sort of fragrance there. But I really like how the rose is like has this very tinted pink color edge. And then when you lift it out, you can see the painted color edge is kind of make it like glowing under the sun, which is so gorgeous. See how gorgeous it is? It's just so gorgeous, very beautiful. This is really a good one to train along the fence because it doesn't go crazy. It's not a very bushy rose for me actually, but it has a very nice neat growth, and it's very easy to train this cane because it's very flexible. There we go. But there's something about it, I find the leaf can get yellow pretty easily. So if any of you have the same experience with this rose, please tell me what you do to help with it, because if you look at the leaf right here, you see how it's all yellow. So I have no idea why this rose can get yellow leaf so easily, because I do not have the similar problem with the other roses. So if you know why, you please let me know, because I want to know why. It cannot be because of the soil, because a lot of my roses are having the same soil and they do not have this problem, as you can see. So this is the biggest mystery for me in Eden. So thank you, and hopefully you like it.